on-level mounting video for SKYFORCE. My name is Ivan.
And my name is Peter.
Today we want to show you how simple it is to mount SKYFORCE on a plastic window frame. The first step in mounting SKYFORCE is to mark the positions of the mounting hole on the window frame. Peter.
Thank you.
In the SKYFORCE set there are two profiles. They are marked with an L for the left side and an R for the right side. For the positioning, we will first make a mark for the height of the SKYFORCE system. The next step is the width. Now we take the left profile and we mark all the mounting holes. Important, when you mount SKYFORCE on a plastic frame, the plastic frame should have a metal core. The wall thickness should be a minimum of 1.5 millimeters. Another thing which is very important is the way the frame is mounted in the wall. For this, you could best contact your frame supplier. When we mount SKYFORCE on a plastic frame, we use self-drilling screws. Before we can use the self-drilling screws, we have to pre-drill the plastic in the plastic frame until the steel core. We do this by using a drill stopper. The drill stopper goes on the drill, and with this we can control the exact depth of the drill. Now the time has come to drill. Profiles are mounted, now it's time for the glass. Important that first the glass is put on the bottom. There's a little pin which makes sure that the glass cannot go out. After the glass, we take the cover caps. The cover caps need to start 10 centimeters from the bottom, clips in the profile and go downwards. To fixate the glass, we will now put in the rubber on the falling side of the glass, starting from the top and the bottom. As you can see, the rubber is not really flat. For this, we use a roller. And now the final touch, the end caps on the top side. To protect the glass, we have a glass protection profile. In the on-level glass protection profile there is a double-sided gluing tape mounted inside of the profile. This means you only need to take out the foil and you stick it on the glass. So, now we're at the end of our mounting video for SKYFORCE. We at Untitled level try to make our products as easy as possible. We hope you like them. We have just seen how simple SKYFORCE can be mounted on a plastic frame, but it can also be mounted on different kind of materials. In Untitled level we have certified and tested 6 different materials. First one being mounting on an aluminium frame, second one in concrete, then we have the one in plastic where there are 2 options depending on the metal inside of your plastic frame. Then we have the mounting on steel, in stone, and you can even mount it in wood.